god, this is gonna be cool. Come on. She's gonna blow! Oh my gosh. Whoa! That was loud. Loud. I know, boys. Is it over? Whoa! Could you stop that, please, boys? Could you stop, please, boys? Oh, just one more. Jeez Louise, stop, please! Seriously, please! No more! Okay? No more, boys. Oh, I have a bad feeling that this one's gonna blow too. Wait, two? No! Oh, it's a double jump scare, dear boys! But that was cool! Oh. I know, right? Seriously! Why can these things be really loud? Let's just go inside. Next parachutes, boys. Boy, let's do this. He's going to blow, boys! Run for your life! Please, can you please stop, please, boys? Alright. Run, run, run! Ah! Run, boys! Run, run! Whoa! Wow! What a good explosion. No it wasn't, boys! Whatever. Next one. Run! Run, boys! Run into the house! Run into the house, boys! Ah! That was loud. Do this.
Go out 4th of July if I do this.
Okay, go, 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 go. Oh, is it broken? Whoa! Never mind. It still works. It still works, boys. Jeez Louise. Got 2 more left. Boom, boom. Go, go, go. Run, run. Like in Mario 3D World. Whoa! Seriously, when is this gonna end? All right, do the honors. My favorite! Final one! Goodbye forever! Until next year. Here. Wow! Pretty big. And boom, but wasn't that a fun time? Yeah, it was. You got scared hurt a lot by those things. Just right into the sky. Well, at least it's not gonna happen next year. It's gonna happen next year. Are you kidding me?